How to stop dashing in Blox Fruits PS4. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can avoid dashing in the Blox Fruits on PlayStation 4. It's simple, just follow along. So if you're using the PS4 controller in Blox Fruits, you can walk normally. Unlike some games, there isn't a specific dash button in Blox Fruits. To dash with the controller, you double tap the left joystick in the direction that you want to go. To walk or to run without accidentally dashing, simply hold the left joystick in the direction that you want to move. Don't release it. You can move the joystick forward and keeping it held, and you will not be dashing. If you want to be extra sure that you won't dash, use the dash ability to deplete it. Then keep holding the left joystick, and now you can walk freely without dashing. The key is to not let go of the left joystick. And the problem is sometimes that you will dash accidentally when repositioning. If you're holding the left joystick and you're about to adjust it, this time, don't dash. But depending on when you do it, you might. It can be a bit sensitive. So the main thing is to avoid double tapping the left joystick as long as you don't rapidly push it forward or to the sides, and you won't dash. So use gentle movements and you will be able to walk side normally. So if you keep dashing by accident, there isn't much else that you can do. Your controller might be faulty, or you might be positioning the left joystick right at the edge of the dead zone, which triggers a dash. Make small movements and avoid quickly pushing the joystick back and forth in that area, and reset the joystick between the movements, and you should be able to walk without dashing. Move the joystick, keep walking, and then release it smoothly, and you shouldn't dash. So I hope this helped you learn how you can avoid dashing and block fruits on PlayStation 4. So if I did, like and subscribe for more easy tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.